This 2022 Dutchmen Astoria 3173 RLP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, awning, microwave, refrigerator, slide-out, leveling jacks, TV, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, oven, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Astoria 3173 RLP is 9,909 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.